Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see how to draw plane scale. Now we have two types of scale, plane scale and diagonal scale in ICSE Technical Drawing application. So in this sum they have given RF 7/2000 and maximum length as 37 meters, and we have to show 23 meters and 12 meters on it. So now when you start scale, first you have to write given data. In this given data we have RF 7/2000, maximum length is 37 meters, so we'll round off to 40 meters, and we'll use the formula length of scale is equal to RF into ml. So RF is 7/2000 into 40 into 100 centimeter, so that will give us a length of scale as 14 centimeter. So this is a basic calculation. Always remember, you need to round off the maximum length in this case. Now we have a scale 14 centimeter and we'll take height 5 millimeter and we'll draw this rectangle. So we are done with this scale, but we want to mark 23 meters and 12 meters. So that's why we'll divide this scale into how many parts? 4 parts. Because it is 40 meter, so we'll divide into 4 parts. So all of you know how to divide line into 4 parts. So we can do it this way, and then we can write 0, 10, 20, 30. In the first block we will write as 10. We will divide the first block into 10 parts. So this is what we got, meter meter on both the sides. So we'll write meter meter, and in between we'll write RF. RF is equal to 7/2000. See, one of the reason why I took maximum length as 40 meter is we can't divide 37 meter into equal parts. Now we'll divide the first block into 10 parts. So we'll divide the first block into 10 parts and we'll write 5 over here. Now we need to mark 23 meters. So we'll take 3 from left side and 20 from right side, and we'll mark 23 meters. Same way, if I want to mark 12 meters, then I will take 2 from left side and 10 from right side. So we'll get 12 meters. So I hope you people have understood this sum. Thank you.